Good morning, you guys. So you guys can probably hear it. I'm all sinused up. I'm getting over a sinus cold. And yes, I did have a COVID test. It's not COVID or anything, but you're probably gonna hear like I'm all like But anyways, we're gonna get ready to go pack for a trip. We've gotta head over to the airport. But before I do that, I wanted to show you guys something. I'm gonna tell on ourselves a little bit, but you're gonna notice like our bed sheets almost have like this yellowy tone to them. Like they don't even match the rest of our sheets. They're really like not that nice or put together. So we figured you're gonna spend a third of your life in your bed anyways. You might as well make it comfortable. And if I've learned anything from this little sinus cold, it's that you spend even more time of it in your bed when you're sick. So we decided that we wanted to upgrade our bed with some Brooklinen bed sheets. Honestly, I was really sick of going to the hotels and having that nice high quality comfort and then coming home and not having the same thing. So we decided we wanted to upgrade our bedding to Brooklinen, who I do want to thank for sponsoring today's video. So Brooklinen sheets are tried and true. They have over 80,000 5-star reviews, which is more than any online bedding company. You can mix and match. They have over 20 plus different colors and patterns, and it's not just like quality too, but they also have comfort. So you no longer have to just look great, but they should feel great too. So we ended up buying the Brooklinen Luxe Hardcore Bundle. So instead of buying individual pieces, when you buy a hardcore bundle, you'll end up saving at 25%. And in this, it has this cute little tote. I am obsessed. I love this. And then it also includes your Luxe pillowcases. It has the core sheet set, and this has one flat sheet, one fitted sheet, and 2 pillowcases, as well as you'll also get the Brooklinen duvet cover. So these are their best-selling Luxe sateen sheets. So they do have a luxurious 480 thread count, as well as a slightly luminous finish. So for those of you who do not know, sateen is a little bit more tightly woven and it's a little bit heavier in weight. So this makes it perfect for year-round comfort. It's a little bit warmer and has just that buttery soft finish to it. You wanted some new sheets too, huh, Mama? You needed some nice comfort. So the classic and the Luxe Hardcore bundles typically cost around $200 to $250. Kind of just depends on the size of your bed, whereas comparable luxury sheets usually cost around $500. But I'm tired of chatting. Let's finally put the sheets on the bed and get that full luxury hotel feel right at home.
Jingle bells ringing in my ear. Jingle bell, a sound that's oh so dear. Frosty the snowman is all around town. Watch out for reindeers are falling down. We stay up waiting for Santa tonight.
What do you think, Mama? Are these nice? You like your new sheets? This is what I'm talking about. This is bringing the hotel life to you from the comfort of your own home. So right now, Brooklinen is actually doing a month-long holiday sale. So all Brooklinen products are going to be 15% off. So go down to my description box and click that link so you can keep yourself, your family, and your friends all living in comfort this holiday season. Now let's go ahead and pack because we need to hurry up and get out of here. Yeah, I think somebody really likes these sheets. So I just got to the airport. My husband has to fix his truck, so he dropped me off early. So I picked up my coffee. I'm in the crew room right now, so, well, sort of. I'm in like the bathroom. So I'm gonna get ready for my trip that doesn't sign in for another hour, and then we are going to work a 2-day.
I'm saying let's go. You're saying maybe. Let's find a disco. You're stuck at home being so lazy. Hey. Give me some, give me some, give me some, give me some, give me some energy.
Okay, hi you guys. So I'm getting ready to work a 2-day trip. I'm on my reserve, so this is my carryover trip into my line month. It is an easy breezy 2-day. We're gonna do a Raleigh-Durham turn. We only have an hour sit, and then we are gonna go to Oklahoma City where we are doing a 17-hour layover. So I'm about to check my equipment, waiting on cleaners to come, waiting on catering to come, and then we are gonna head on out of here. Hopefully it's gonna be a nice easy trip. I'm the first one on the plane and I will see you guys sometime today.
Wanna come, wanna come, wanna come, wanna come, wanna come dance with me. Give me some, give me some, give me some, give me some, give me some energy. Wanna come, wanna come, wanna come, wanna come, wanna come dance with me. There's no fire when I smoke, I ain't letting you go. I can see you buzzing like you can't say no. There's no fire when I smoke, I ain't letting you go. Come on, let yourself be free. Be the best that you can be. Come move your body. Come move your body.
Okay, hello everybody. Welcome to Oklahoma City. So my ear popped in flight on the way from Raleigh to Dallas and it never popped back. It's just gone. Like this one, it feels like swimmer's ear. And I took a Sudafed, is that what it is? A Sudafed, like to help my sinuses, and thought maybe that would help my ear come back. It didn't. So I don't know if I'm screaming, I don't know if I'm whispering, I don't know what's going on. I'm lost in here. But I just got to the hotel, so I will show you guys around. The room is nice and cute. And then I picked up Ling and Louise at the airport because it's already 11 o'clock, so it's already pretty late. I didn't want to have to worry about getting food. So I have food to eat, and I think I'm gonna call this an early one so we can do some stuff tomorrow on our 17-hour layover. All right, so we got our typical bath. Come on over, and I really like these duvet covers, or like the comforters here. Those are really cute. Then we got our TV, the coffee maker, all that good stuff. And do we have a view? Not really. These pillows have my name all over them. Like, look how tall those are. Those just scream me. I'm gonna get these and these all on one bed. I can see it now. So I guess let's go ahead and get our stuff unpacked. So I ended up getting orange chicken with white rice. This is what I got last time I showed you guys, and it was really good. So I got it again.
Caught behind Venetian blinds, out of reach for the city lights. This ain't where I belong.
All right. I think that's the good stuff. This is living the life. Okay, you guys, I think I am going to get some sleep, and I will see you guys in the morning, and hopefully we can do something fun. Good night. Hello guys, and good morning. So I ended up switching beds because this one had the only view of the TV. The other one, you really couldn't see it. Also, check out this hoodie. So I ended up buying this sweat set. It's from Scott Disick's brand, Talentless. It's really sturdy. Like, the material is like sturdy and thick. It's not generally what I'm used to, but I'm digging this. I think it's so cute. Like, it's like soft, like velvet lettering. But anyways, funny story I wanted to tell you guys. So I wake up this morning, it's a slow start. It's one of those kinds of days. I have a wisdom tooth coming in right now and it hurts so bad. I just booked an appointment with the dentist because I'm like, I need this fixed ASAP. It's hurting so bad. I thought I was too old for this. I'm like, I'm 28. What am I doing with wisdom teeth still coming in? So I think I'm gonna have to get my wisdom teeth pulled soon. But anyways, I wake up, I do a face mask, my skin was real dry, whatever. I start getting dressed to get ready to go get some coffee outside when I realize I did not bring a single pair of shoes. None. The only shoes I have are my flight attendant heels and my in-flight shoes. That is it. So I have no shoes to go do anything. So I kind of ruined this layover for myself. So pretty much, unless I'm willing to go like this, I have no shoes. None. Zero. Zilch. It's these or heels, and that is it. So I really shot myself in the foot on this one. The outside looks really pretty. Unfortunately, I can only see it from the inside. The window's pretty dirty, but the outside actually looks pretty. The trees are all changing color. It looks nice today. I'm sure it would have been a beautiful walk to the coffee shop outside with some fresh air, some fresh brewed coffee, a nice pastry or something. Now I'm just gonna have to use my imagination. I think this is a first for me. I don't think I've done this before. Yeah. I feel silly too because I was like,
let me get an early night's rest so that way we could go do something fun today.
But also I ended up forgetting my laptop. That's why I switched beds, because I realized I don't have my laptop to watch any YouTube or anything like that. So I had to just like sanitize the remote and watch regular television. But oh well, nothing you can do about it. I can't believe I did this. Like, good job, Kat. Good job. So pretty much the shuttle time I think is gonna be around 3:30. So I guess we'll start really getting our makeup together, getting everything ready. It's just gonna be a quick one. We are only going from Oklahoma City back to Dallas today. So it's like a 40-minute flight and that's it. So today's gonna be a fast one. Then we'll land around 6. Chip has my truck because he had errands to run. So he's gonna have to pick me up at the airport. So at least that's nice. Get princess parking. Haven't had that in a minute. If you guys are OGs to my channel, you might remember when I used to get princess parking. But anyways, now I'm not sure. I'm not sure. Can y'all see? Now I'm not sure how we're gonna spend the day. Probably gonna be watching some Hallmark movies. It's like a classic my mom move. But yeah, I don't know. So I saw the coffee over here and it's Pike Place. I'm not even gonna bother. You know, I've done this rodeo one too many times. I know I don't enjoy it, so I'm not even gonna bother making this.
Hello, Miss Ma'am.
Hi, ma'am. Do you wanna hear? Hi. Do you wanna hear what I did?
What?
I forgot to pack shoes.
So what are you gonna do?
Nothing, I can't leave.
Are you stuck in a hotel room?
Yes. Okay, so I just got off the phone with Allie. I freaking love her to death. She's so funny. So spent way too long on the phone with her, a good 30 minutes to an hour. So it's about noon right now. I'm gonna pull my food out of the fridge. There's no microwave here, so cold leftovers it is, and see if it's still good. I also might get on my phone and see if maybe I can have coffee delivered. Let's see if I can have coffee delivered to the room before we have to start getting ready for our flight. So I guess we're just gonna hang out a bit. This is like the world's way of like forcing you to chill. Okay, so I took a quick nap and I just woke up again. I'm gonna go ahead and start getting ready now for our flight. We have a little over an hour that we need to do that and be downstairs to get out of here.
Life goes up and it goes down. I know my mom taught me that. I figured why we fool around so little, and we keep track of time, being so serious. Idiots thinking it will matter, keep me company downtown before the clock runs out. Sun is shining but the rain is welcome too. Friends are nearby, don't need another view. Time is not on my mind, but then it's you. Oh, I love it when the love comes around, and then I remember all things must pass.
So I'm all packed up and ready to go. So I guess let's go ahead, head downstairs and catch our shuttle to the airport.
But I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. I'm not ready, let me have another day. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up. No, no, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. No, no, not yet, whoa. I'm afraid I'll end up nowhere. They keep saying I'll be fine, but how you know that I'll be there when it feels like I'm
Okay, you guys, I am finally back home. I'm gonna have one day off before I go back on another 4-day trip. So that is going to kick off my line month this December. But for now, I'm gonna start getting ready for bed, go enjoy my Brooklinen sheets. Don't forget to pick up yours in the description box down below. If you guys did enjoy this video, go ahead and give it a big old thumbs up, press the subscribe button, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.